In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your revenue with highly personalized email campaigns, specifically creating a Web-To-Lead CRM form. In the WebJaguar CRM module, we give the customer the tools to create lead generation, contact and lead forms using our form builder, CRM management, convert your leads to customers, distribute those leads into different sales team members internally, and more. Our first step is to create the form. From the admin, visit the CRM tab and click on Forms. Here we can click the Add button to start the process, and we're taken through 5 easy steps. To learn more about creating a CRM form, you can view the knowledge base article here called How to Create a CRM Form. Next, once the form's been created, on step 5, we're given a preview of how the form's going to look on the front of your website. Right-click and select All to copy the form code, and then we're going to visit a page on our website where we'll paste the code. Here's an example of how it looks after we've pasted the code, and to do that, just log into your admin, find the page that you'd like to paste the code to, and then you're going to paste it right into the HTML code box here, and make sure to scroll down and update to save. Once we've pasted the code to the website page of our choosing, we can return to the admin, and we can select the code. At the very bottom, you'll notice a series of hidden fields where we can customize this one step further. You'll notice the track code here, and I have a value assigned to it called free offer. This gives me the ability to track where my leads are coming from and what they're responding to. Additionally, we have a lead source, and I have the value form typed in here. I could change this to say blog if I paste this code onto an external blog. It gives me the ability to know that this lead came from a blog rather than a form on my website. Thirdly, our group ID, I've typed in the ID number 42, and this is associated with a group that I've created for all of my leads to go into. And so that's been assigned here. From the front of the website, you don't see any of those hidden fields, but this is a great way to be able to track this information. After users visit your form and fill out the data, you can visit the CRM tab and click on Contacts. Here you're taken to your entire list of contacts, and we're looking at a list of over 18,000. Under my column heading Account Name, you can see the name Leads. This is assigned to any new user that fills out a form. Under Lead Source column, you'll see the word Form here, and this was what I put into the value for my lead source. Lets me know that the user filled out a form on my website. Again, if they were to fill out a blog and I entered the value blog, that would show here. Also under tracking code, you'll see the word free offer like we added to the value in our form to let us know that the user responded to the free offer on our website. Furthermore, if we click on CRM groups, we're also taken to the ID column 42, and that's what I inputted into the form to let me know automatically to assign leads to this group. Here you see a tally of 2 customers that have been assigned. Another great automated process here is when you click on the group, we're also given the ability to have an autoresponder email that's generated immediately once the form user submits their data. Let's say that a customer is on your site at midnight and they fill out your form. They're looking to receive a free offer that you're offering after filling out a form. Well, at midnight, that's not something that most people want to respond to, but your site will automatically do it for you. The recipient will receive an autoresponder based on your selection here under the message column, and you can choose to send a dynamic promo code or a promotional offer that only lasts for a certain amount of hours. There's lots of great things that you can do here with the group autoresponder. To sum up the Web-To-Lead form generation, this is a great way to enhance your marketing abilities using our CRM to its fullest potential. We have the ability not only to create a form, to embed that form on a page on your site or an external blog, but you can track with tracking codes, with lead codes. You can also assign user submissions to automatic groups where they receive automatic email autoresponders that can contain offers, and that can happen at any time on your website throughout the day or the night. And furthermore, with Google AdWords campaigns or any other web campaigns that you're running, you can use tracking codes to give you the ability to track ROI on what keywords work and which ones are not working. So dig in, and this is a great place to learn a lot about the CRM here.